I sat with the parents of both, except one person, the border. Their parents denied.
Who is the border? This one, the border?
No.
The one
border,
outside?
No, there's another one on red outside. This one, the parents came and pleaded to me that they are very sorry for what happened. They are ready to compensate. They know their child. Because they know him. He has a harm. They know. I should give them 3 months. I should give them time. They are going home to check on, to sit down and they see what they can do. And then we sit down with the LC and I freed them. I freed their son. They have gone. And they came not even, they just came they sent actually yesterday evening, they sent a border that go and tell me that we are coming there. We are very tired from the funeral rites in Alea. We are coming to see her. And the brother to this one came. I have actually, like he's confessing, they slapped him because of that.
What did they say? They have given you some period. When will they settle you?
They are going to come back. This evening, they are going to come back.
And settle?
Okay. Because they pleaded guilty.
Okay.